A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen all things will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rules and offers are available online for this property, along with various maintenance and cleaning policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, check the description. If you want to visit any kind of property, this property is located in Palassarna If you are new to this channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video.